Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a quick little haul from Napa. I'm also just throwing the two bulbs that I got from AutoZone today in the video. Napa stuff I got a couple days ago, the bulbs I got today. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today, like I stated in the intro, I picked up some items a couple days ago from Napa, as well as today. So today is Friday, October 15th. I picked up these two bulbs to finish the interior bulb lighting on the 97 limited 4x4 4Runner. This stuff I picked up from Napa somewhere around the 13th or so, which is a couple days ago. So I got 25 feet of line, fuel line, and I got these three packages of vacuum caps. I buy a lot of these. I use them, put them on, somebody's vehicle, forget to take them off, or I take them off of what I'm working on, like the brake lines, stuff like that, and I ended up leaving them in a shop towel, in their cup holder or something like that. I do buy a lot of these. I think I've bought probably 30 of them in the last year or so. I love them. They work great. They work good for capping off fuel line. They work good on capping off brake lines and all kinds of other stuff. And then the fuel line I picked up, I actually already took some off of it. This is the piece that I needed to replace. And this line isn't bad, it's just, it was too short. Whoever stuck this line in on the fuel line, the flex portion of the fuel line, right near the engine, this is before the fuel injectors. Whoever worked on the truck before the 2000 Limited that I purchased a few months ago, somebody snapped off one of the bolts, and then there was one bolt remaining. So there's a hard line at the fender well on the driver's side, and then this goes here, and then there's another hard line here, and then a bracket that bolts to the plenum, and then a soft line, or not a soft line, but a hard line that goes over, and it's supposed to bolt right here, so it's supposed to bolt in these two spots, and then soft line all the way around, and then it goes into hard line again. Well, this was too short, so I wasn't able to bolt this bolt back where it was, and this bolt is broken off, so I gotta distract that. But I already replaced the line with long enough so that way the brackets and the hard line was not just sitting on the spark plug coils. So it was sitting on the coils, and it was, or not the coils, but the spark plug wires, and it's just bouncing up and down. It was driving me nuts. So I already took a piece off. This is like 6-7 inches. I needed a 9 to 10 inch piece, so I already replaced that. But I've got my Napa rep. Always gives me a deal. He got me this spool for $1.20 per foot instead of the $2.50 per foot it should have been. This is a bracket while it was there. I had him get from Toyota. This bracket is actually the throttle cable bracket. It just holds the throttle cable from bouncing all over the place. This came off the 2000 Limited also. It was actually sitting like this, and it was actually damaging the hood. It's actually supposed to be angled like that, and it broke when I went to angle it back down. So I got 5 of these coming, and I just picked up these vacuum caps. You guys have seen probably 4 or 5 videos where I bought vacuum caps in the past. These are great vacuum caps. I actually have one set sitting right here that I was using to block the fuel off so I can cut this line or replace this line. So these are amazing. They come in handy all the time, and they actually tell you what the size is: 5/16, 3/8, 1/4 inch, 3/16, 1/4 inch, a short and a long and 1/4 inch, 3/16, 7/32, and 1/8. They work amazing. Just a quick video though, guys. And then I picked these up from AutoZone to finish off the dome lights on the interior of the 1997 4Runner Limited 4x4. The 97 dome lights in the very front of the vehicle is no different than the back two, and I'll take you guys out and show you guys. Oops. I'll show you guys real quick. So here's the 2000. The 2000s have a different console in the front. These actually take the round bulbs with the little nipples on the base. But this bulb right here is the correct bulb on a 2000. I don't know why the doors are locked. For this one right here, this bulb that's lit up is actually this exact same bulb, and then the one in the rear take these bulbs. On the front, it takes a bubble bulb. It's got a round bubble, and then the base is round, and it's got two metal nipples on the sides of the base that you literally push in, twist, and they lock. That's what those in the front are. Where on the 97 takes these bulbs throughout the entire truck. So this one in the rear, this one in the center, and the front is these bulbs as well on the 97s. So I picked up two more, and I actually have a battery tender, 13.5 volts, 100% so far. But these bulbs right here, like I said, they're the same. So here's another LED one. That one's also LED, but on the front, on these consoles, they take this bulb as well instead of. So if you pop this cover off, there you go. Try to get you guys in there. You can see that bulb right there. So that bulb is the same as this. Same bulb. So on 1997s, these bulbs are throughout the entire vehicle. This one, that one, the two up here. Turn it on, there you go. It's the exact same bulb. I'm replacing all of them with LEDs. And after the video, I'm just gonna pop these in, so I'm gonna leave this out. But, so the console changed. So these are separate. On a 2000, this piece right here that has the moonroof switches, and then the mirror and the courtesy bulbs in the front are all one piece on a 2000 compared to a 97. So there was little incremental changes between 96, 97, and 98 is the same as what I just showed you, and then 99 and 2000 are like I just showed you at the beginning, where the console is a lot bigger. Here, I'll just show you guys real quick. So 99 and 2000 have this style console. Really? Freaking lights. Does it need to be this bright out here? Okay, so this is a 99 to 2000 console, and this console has the sunglass holder, where the 96, 97, and 98 does not have the sunglass holder. But figuring to show you guys. So if you have a 96, 97, or 98, you're going to want the DE3175 LED bulb. And I always get these Sylvania Zevos because they have a lifetime warranty for as long as you own the vehicle. And I've never had one die on me ever. Not even the ones I use in the brake lights or anything else. So just a quick video though, guys, showing you what I picked up. This is gonna come in handy for repairing fuel line and stuff like that on service calls, as well as I only needed 10 inches worth of it for my own personal vehicle, but it'll come in handy for the other 2 4Runners plus the Ford plus any other service call that I need to repair fuel line. And these vacuum caps, they work amazing on service calls. These are also great for capping off lines on carburetors. But that's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick video. Do appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!